Yeah, good morning, everyone. So yesterday, more of a market remained flat in the US, mainly in expectation of CPI inflation data, which is expected today in the evening. The expectation is that it will increase by 0.3% month on month. So the market course and future action by the Fed will be influenced by this data. We had already seen some higher inflation data earlier, and also the employment data was quite strong. So if the data continue to remain strong in CPI, then we may see higher bond yield or higher dollar, and also quite possible that we may see some profit booking also. So apart from this, the Asian market are also mixed bag. Few are positive and few are negative. Commodities are showing today more of a mixed bag reactions. Oil is down by around $1. Iron ore is up by around $1.5, 1.5%, and steel is down by 0.5%. So now I'll request technical team to take up from here.
Thank you, sir. Very good morning, all of you. So we have seen Nifty has made a 52-week high in yesterday's trading session, and some profit booking was seen, and it came all the way down to 22,600 and took a support from those levels. It was the previous trend line support as well. If we look at the global cues today, we are expecting a gap up opening and a positive move in today's trading session. But some profit booking can be seen at higher levels. The questions currently lies at 22,740. If that is broken, then only we can see a level of 22,870 to 23,000 levels. 22,740 will act as a very crucial resistance zone. Whereas on the downside, if 22,640 is broken, then we can see a downside to over 22,550 to 22,430 levels. Talking about Bank Nifty wasn't doing very well from last 2 days. I mean, it was giving a gap of opening though, but it was more of a flattish trade. Today, the immediate resistance for Bank Nifty is currently plays at 49,140. If that is broken, then we can expect a level towards 49,500 to 49,800 levels. Whereas the downside immediate support for Bank Nifty lies at 48,550, followed by 48,370. Fin Nifty closed at around 21,700 levels. The upside resistance for this index is at 21,800 to 21,870, whereas the downside support is for 21,660 and 21,600. Talking about stocks, we feel it is going to be a very stock specific market that we request everyone to trade with strict stop losses. Though ICICI potential is looking good at current levels, can be bought for a target of 650 by keeping a strict stop loss of 617. Also, Oro Pharma has given a fresh breakout in yesterday's trading session. We have initiated a buy call on this. Can be bought for a target of 1160 by keeping a strict stop loss of 150. So that's all from my side. I request Nirav to take the call forward.
Yeah, thank you, Ayush. On the derivative front, Steve, as I've been saying, Nifty at this point looks slated to move towards the 23,000 levels. That is a resistance area. We are seeing good buying action around that 22,550, 22,600 levels for Nifty. This is where buying sets in. Also, the major contributors, the like the VIX, PCR, and open interest are in the positive zone, and they are likely to further help the Nifty move up towards that 23,000 levels. So, all in all, we expect good buying action for today as well, and for the next few days. Only thing is, the VIX can move up from current levels as the election approaches, election announcement approaches. So majorly, May should be where India VIX reaches above that 15 level, probably even the 20 level. So towards the end of April is where some volatility is expected. Um, from the stock specific front, we expect PSUs to continue to do well, but the most important index is the Bank Nifty. At this point, it has witnessed price volume breakout along with the all-time high breakout as well. So we expect this index to do very well going forward. All banks we like, so you can look to buy these stocks from a near term perspective. This can give good returns going forward. So yeah, that's it from my side. Like to ask the fundamental team to take over, please.
Good morning. IIHL, that is IndusInd International Holdings, which is the promoter of IndusInd Bank, has signed an agreement with Invesco Asset Management to form a joint venture. IIHL, that is the promoter, will acquire 60% shareholding in Invesco Asset Management, while Invesco will retain 40% stake in the newly formed JV. Both the companies will have a sponsor status. This will be marginally positive for IndusInd Bank as scope for earning fee income increases with promoters focus on AMC business. Thank you.
Lupin has launched one drug, name of Vorasian, in United States, and the drug market size is around $128 million. So marginal positive for Lupin. Small company Food and In promoter has come up with open offer to acquire 26% holding at the price of rupees 147. The open offer has been triggered as one of their investor, which was holding around 9%, is also becoming promoter of the company along with the existing promoter. So there is an addition of an investors in the promoter group, and that is triggering this open offer to buy the shares from the public of 27%. The price is 147. Current price is at 142. So overall seems as the promoter holding was quite low in the company, this will be, I feel, will be taken as a positive by the market. That's all from us, and I'll request commodity team to take up from here.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much. Good morning, everyone. So, in yesterday's session, we had witnessed quite volatility in commodities, and we are expecting some cool off in gold and silver prices. So, on rise, gold June contract one can sell around 71,500 to 550 levels and maintain a strict stop loss of 71,800. There is quite volatility in the market, so we request to maintain strict stop loss. And on downside, again 71,100, 79,900 is the level where we recommend to book profits. If prices are closing below the 71,000 mark, then there are chances that we might see further correction in prices. So watch out for that. Silver also selling around around 80 to 800 and maintaining a stop loss of 83 200. On downside again, 82,000, 700 is the area where one should book profits. In metals, copper can bounce back till 822 83 levels on upside, and again witness some selling pressure. So all in all, view is positive, but the levels are as such that some profit taking is expected from higher end. So on downside again, 814 to 13, one can enter long again. So watch out for that. And zinc also, we maintain the view as bullish. So buying around 237.50 is recommended with a stop loss of 235. And on upside again, 241, 243 is the area where we recommend to book profits. Crude oil prices are expected to test 7050, 700 levels. So selling around 7160 is recommended with a stop loss of 70 to 20. And natural gas, we are expecting prices to test 160 to 170 on upside. Though prices are consolidating, but one should buy and maintain a stop loss of 148. So that's it from us, and thank you very much.